The Adventures of Tom Thumb. Long ago, in a faraway land, there lived a giant and his wife. One day, the giant had a big fight with a greedy wizard about a treasure. The wizard wanted all the gold, but the giant did not agree. Angry and afraid, the wizard ran away. From far away he shouted a terrible spell. He said that the giant's child would never grow taller than the wizard's thumb. Not long after that, the giant's wife had a baby boy. The baby was very, very small. He was no bigger than a thumb. The parents were shocked, but they loved him very much. They named him Tom Thumb. Tom was tiny, but he was healthy and happy. Life was not easy for Tom's parents. They often lost him because he was so small. They had to speak very softly because loud voices hurt Tom's ears. Tom did not feel sad. He enjoyed his life. He liked to play in the garden and talk to small animals. He rode on a snail's back and danced with ladybirds. In the small world, Tom felt big and free. One day, Tom went to visit his frog friend near the pond. He climbed onto a green leaf. Suddenly, a big fish jumped out of the water and swallowed him. Tom was inside the fish's dark stomach. He was scared, but he stayed calm. Soon, a fisherman caught the fish and took it to the king's palace. In the royal kitchen, the cook cut open the fish. To everyone's surprise, a tiny boy jumped out alive. Tom bowed and said hello politely. The cook and the king were amazed. They had never seen anything like Tom Thumb before. The king laughed and clapped his hands. He said Tom was a true wonder. The cook had an idea. He let Tom ride inside a pie and sound a trumpet during a royal feast. All the guests laughed and cheered. The king was very happy and gave the cook a bag of gold. Tom became famous in the palace. The cook made Tom his page boy. Tom wore fine clothes, ate good food, and marched across the table at banquets. Everyone loved him, but someone was angry. The king's cat was jealous. Before Tom came, the cat was the king's favorite. Now everyone looked at Tom instead. The cat hated Tom and wanted revenge. First, the cat tried to attack him, but Tom was brave. He used his tiny sword and scared the cat away. The cat did not give up. It decided to lie. One day, the cat told the king that Tom wanted to poison him. The king was afraid because he once got very sick from bad food. When the guards brought Tom to the king, the cat showed a poison leaf it had hidden. Tom was shocked and could not speak. The king believed the lie. Because Tom was so small, they put him in prison inside a clock. Day and night, Tom hung from the swinging pendulum. He felt lonely and sad. One night, a kind moth flew by. Tom asked for help. The moth felt sorry for him and opened the clock. The moth took Tom far away to the butterfly kingdom, a place for tiny creatures. There, everyone was small like Tom. He was safe and happy. Tom stayed there and built a monument to remember his great adventure. And that is the story of Tom Thumb, the smallest hero with the bravest heart.